How to use wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use a wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. But before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up the Premier League app or simply use the website. It's completely up to you. After you open that up, you will need to head over to the fantasy section, then tap on transfers. After you do that, all you have to do is just select a player that you want to, replace or basically use the wildcard on. So let's say that I want this here, tap on replacement. From here, you can select anyone that you want. So yeah, from here, your price won't be that much affected because you will be just, exchanging a player or something like that. So if I tap on this one, then it's just changed, and there you can see the changes on my budget as well. Then if you tap on next, and whenever you tap on confirm, you will have confirmed the wildcard and have exchanged a player. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.